If you want to set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, we have to open up our settings, then scroll down right to your lock screen and AOD section, choose your screen lock and biometrics option, enter your current PIN if you have one, or maybe your pattern or password, but make sure that you have them, because otherwise you won't be able to make your fingerprint, make your biometrics. So let's choose our fingerprint. So let's press continue. So now what do we have to do? We will have to fill the entire circle with our finger. And we'll have to hold it until it will show that it reached 100%. And we have to follow this little scanner. So let's do this. Hold your finger, remove it. Repeat the same steps, and now simply follow the scanner, repeat, apply your finger, hold it tightly, that's it. So when you're done, you have an option to add up another fingerprint if you need to, so it may be the other finger or maybe other person. And now let's press done. Of course, you can add one more, as I said, but basically that's it. Now we can unlock our phone only with our finger. How cool is that? And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.